I have been spending a lot of my own brain power and time trying to make fake stuff feel real. And Nathan has spent his entire time trying to make real stuff feel fake. It's like a perfect overlap where we're both dealing with different elements of performance. And I think in that sense, we had a good bullshit meter for what felt real, down to the props or down to the people who were being cast. Nathan would always have this mantra, which was whenever we both agreed on something, it was always the best idea. And it wasn't compromising. We would continue bashing into one another until this makes sense to both of us. And that meant the product was better. When it was Nathan and I, it was really fun because we're acting in it, also writing in it, also doing all this show running all at the same time on camera. It became amazing to find a collaborator who was able to speak the same language, but from a completely different point of view. And it really pushed us both.